Okay, I'm going to make a peach topping, kind of like a pie filling, but I'm going to use it on topping on top of some angel food cake. So I've got half a cup of sugar. I'm going to add some of the Instant Clear Jel. And for what I'm doing, probably the cooked kind would be better, but I was testing this out because it has better properties for freezing. So I want to test that later for freezing and then freeze drying. So half a cup of sugar and then 3 tablespoons of the Instant Clear Jel. Okay, and then those will get mixed together and we'll set that aside, ready for the peaches. So I've got some peach slices from August 12th back in 19 with the nice heavy bag, which is important. Okay, and I think I want to crush some of them and powder them to mix in with the gel stuff so that it's not just sugariness. So I think I'm going to take some of them out and powder them. Oh, there's the oxygen absorber. And for a topping thing, I probably should have these smaller, like little cubes or something instead of these big pieces. So I think I'll break these up a little bit. Maybe just kind of pieces like that. But they're real dry, so they're real easy to break. Yeah, so I think if I was making a pie or something like that, the big pieces would be much better. But I think to spoon it over like a topping, I think smaller pieces are going to be what I want. So I'm going to break them all so I don't have any real giant pieces. Now I think I want to powder some also. I'm going to open another bag of them. Got another bag from the 13th. Could add a few more. Pour a few of them in a bag and then crush them. So I'm going to mix that in with the sugar and Insta-Gel powder. So it's about a half a cup of powdered peach. Okay, so I'm just going to add a half teaspoon. So I've got about 4 cups of the broken peach pieces, half teaspoon of ascorbic acid. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of warm water. I don't know if that's enough. I'm going to start with 2. Yeah, the peaches probably need a little bit of time to rehydrate. So I'm going to heat those up a little bit, let them kind of steam a bit. Okay, I've got them on the stove. Turn this on. Going to heat them a bit. I'm going to try to mix this in there at the same time. Might need more water to go with it. Going to add another cup. Okay, that's a terrible, terrible method. Yeah, because it needs to be sprinkled in slowly and mixed in. Okay, so yeah, I need to do that differently. I made some angel food cake with a mix and did 7 little mini loaf pans because I cannot for the life of me find our angel food cake pan that I just used 4 or 5 decades ago. So we're going to buy a new one. In the meantime, made these little mini loaf pans and I filled them a little too full. And the one that we made from the freeze-dried egg whites, even though it fell a bit, I actually like the texture and taste a lot better than this. It was a little dense, but I didn't mind. So I'll just kind of pry it around the edges a little bit. Yeah, so I have 3 or 4 more brands I'm going to try after we get the real cake pan. So you can see it comes out pretty well. Very light and fluffy, and I'm wondering if the real angel food cake pan would help keep it a little bit more dense because it would have so much more thickness, so pressing down on it. unless you're on the moon, and then it wouldn't work at all. All right, so using the electric knife. The electric knife worked much better than the regular serrated knife. We had a tough time cutting it with that. And of course, the crispy end is the best piece. So in the freeze-dried peaches with the Instant Gel. And future ones, I think I need to do the Instant Gel with a sieve or a sifter to make sure it gets in there a little bit at a time, nice and flat, instead of just dumping it in. Okay. But again, I think I like the texture of the angel food cake that I made with the freeze-dried egg whites better. That's good. The peach stuff, all the gel part has a great peach flavor. Definitely works nice.
That's good.
Yeah, nice and peachy. All right, probably should have had a close-up before I ate it. I could put another slice on there